Rule 5. Lookout. Rule 5. Lookout. Rule 5 requires that every vessel shall at all times maintain a proper lookout by sight and hearing as well as by all available means appropriate in the prevailing circumstances and conditions so as to make a full appraisal of the situation and of the risk of collision. Keeping a lookout is the first rule to comply with while on the bridge, looking out of the bridge windows and seeing what is ahead. Astern in either side of you seems to be stating the obvious, but experience in case studies show that many navigators appear to forget this advice. The lookout is an integral and important part of the bridge team. There are a large number of incidents that could have been prevented by a well-trained lookout. It is implicit in STCW 95 that all times during the hours of darkness and in busy shipping areas when underway, a separate dedicated lookout must be kept on the bridge in addition to the watchkeeper. In my opinion, this is the most important rule in the entire coleric. All other rules are based on the fact that we are aware of our surroundings, but if we fail to keep a proper lookout, we would not be able to apply other rules too, by sight and hearing. Duty of a lookout. The lookout should report any lights, vessel or large floating object which he sees, and in low visibility, any fog signal which he hears. However, in a crowded waters, he could not be expected to report everything he sees. He must use his discretion and report the light or object which are likely to bring risk of collision, especially small craft which may not have been observed from the bridge. All available means appropriate. The term proper lookout includes the effective use of available instrument and equipment. In addition to the use of both sight and hearing, these apply particularly to radar, but the use of binocular and of information received by VHF from a shore radar station or from other ships would be included among all available means appropriate. Use of a radar. A proper use in restricted visibility, also at night in clear visibility when passing through areas where there were known to be numerous structures which are not always adequately lit. The radar should be kept in use for the purpose of keeping a general lookout in coastal waters and other areas where regularly traffic is likely to be encountered, especially at night. The radar can be used assessing visibility more accurately. Visual lookout. Visual lookout is still necessary. The use of radar does not dispense with the need for a good visual lookout.